Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import products from IndiaMart to your Shopify store. IndiaMart is a well-known Indian manufacturer and supplier marketplace, similar to AliExpress but based in India. If you want to import products from IndiaMart into your Shopify store, I will guide you through the process step by step. First, ensure that you have a Shopify store set up. If you do not have one, create a new store and complete the initial setup. Once your store is ready, go to the Shopify dashboard and navigate to the Apps section. Click on All Recommended Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for IndiaMart. You will find an app called IndiaMart Product Sourcing. This is the app you need to install. Click on it, then click Install. You will be redirected to the app's main dashboard. Before using the app, you need to sign in or create an account on IndiaMart. If you already have an IndiaMart account, log in with your registered mobile number. If you do not have an account, create one by entering your email or signing in with Google. Once your account is set up, connect it to Shopify through the IndiaMart app. After logging in, you can explore the app dashboard. Here, you will find a tutorial video, frequently asked questions, and terms and conditions. To start importing products, submit your requirements and verify suppliers through IndiaMart. Once connected, you can begin adding products to your Shopify store. Another method to import products is by using the Robo Product Importer app from the Shopify App Store. Search for Robo Product Importer, install it, and follow the setup instructions. This app works as a Chrome extension, allowing you to extract product data directly from IndiaMart. To use the Chrome extension, first install it from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, visit IndiaMart, find a product you want to import, and click on the Robo extension. The extension will automatically fetch product details such as title, description, and images. You can then review and edit the details before adding the product to your Shopify store. If you prefer not to use the Chrome extension, you can manually import products. Copy the product link from IndiaMart, go to the import page of the app, paste the link, and click Import. The app will fetch the product data, including images and descriptions. After reviewing the details, click Add Product to import it into Shopify. Once the import is complete, go back to the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Products page, and you will see the imported product listed in your store. This method allows you to quickly and easily add IndiaMart products to your Shopify store. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.